Today we're talking about making scientific observations. When we make observations, we collect data. Data is something that can be observed or something we can see, and it describes something using our five senses. So sight, sound, touch, taste, or smell. You can use your five senses to observe and describe the world that surrounds you. When we look at this ice cream cone, we can see that there's red, orange, yellow, and blue layers. It is larger than her hand. It starts as a solid, but it melts into a liquid. It feels cold to the touch. It smells sweet like candy, and it tastes like sugar. All of those things describe an ice cream cone. When we use measured data, these kinds of things deal with numbers. So data can be measured using science tools that measure length, volume, time, or temperature, just like the tools shown on this page. If we want to show measured data of this box, we can tell that the box is 30 centimeters long. We would have to use a ruler to know that. We could know that this box holds 25 erasers. So if we put 25 erasers in there, they would all fit. Or the box weighs 3 pounds. We would have to weigh it on a scale to know that. Now, it's our turn. Let's try. Here is a picture of a cute puppy. Now, we can't touch this puppy in real life, but if I touched this puppy, I think it would feel soft. I bet the puppy feels warm. The puppy looks brown and white. Those are all observations I can make about this picture. Now today your assignment is in Seesaw, and it is going to ask you to take a picture of something at your house or your daycare, and it wants you to make observations about your object. You can pick any object you want, and then you're going to make observations. You can record them speaking with your voice like I am, or you can record using labels, so you can type the words on there that you want to use to describe your object.